This one liquid built modern civilization, powered wars, made billionaires, and could be the reason everything collapses. This is gasoline. Today, we're going to start with nothing and try to recreate gasoline from scratch. But every time we fail, we go further back in history to see how humans actually discovered it. By the end, you'll see why the world can't survive without it. Long before cars or engines, people in Mesopotamia found a strange black liquid leaking from the ground. They used it to waterproof boats, seal bricks, even in medicine. But gasoline? Useless. No one had invented an engine yet. Crude oil was a mystery box. Gasoline was just one of hundreds of substances inside. And for thousands of years, no one cared. Fast forward to the 1800s. People wanted kerosene for lamps. Then in 1859, Edwin Drake drilled the first successful oil well in Pennsylvania. Oil flooded the market. Gasoline? Still useless. Refineries threw it away, even dumping in rivers. Imagine throwing away something that would one day power the entire planet. Everything changed with one invention, the internal combustion engine. Inventors like Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler realized gasoline explodes in a controlled way. That explosion moves pistons, turns wheels, creates motion. Suddenly, the waste product became the most valuable liquid on Earth. Once cars hit the streets, there was no going back. One man saw the future early, John D. Rockefeller. He built Standard Oil and controlled almost the entire US oil industry. Gasoline didn't just power cars. It created empires, billionaires in control. During World War II, gasoline became survival. Tanks, planes, ships, all needed fuel. Entire battles were decided by who had more oil. No fuel, no movement. No movement, no victory. Today, gasoline powers cars, planes, global shipping, entire economies. Cities were designed around it. Your daily life depends on it. Everything you see exists because of this liquid. But here's the problem. Gasoline is finite, and burning it changes the planet. For over a century, we built everything around it. Now, we're trying to replace it. We tried to recreate gasoline today, but it took humanity thousands of years to discover it, and just over 100 years to become completely dependent on it. Question is, what happens when it's gone? If you thought this was crazy, wait till you see what replaced it. Hit subscribe now.